Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing the wait, what? We're gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 cuz I don't know.
So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're gonna start by first, like me, getting the box out because you can't see the watch without getting the watch out. So you can see that it's the red watch. I got the product red one, and once again, it's not mine because I can't afford that, and I don't really need a watch because I have this other watch, but it's broken. So let's go ahead and open it. And I'm actually doing a voiceover right now because when I recorded the original audio, I don't know why, but it sounded like I was talking into a freaking toaster or something. Like you could barely hear, it was like all muffled and everything. I don't know why. So right now I'm doing a voiceover and I think it should sound better because my voice is more clear and stuff. So let's just open the easy, what's it called? Because Apple now made the little tabs easier to open. So yeah, I'll just do some cuts here and there to make sure that you guys don't get bored. Because, I don't know. Let's just watch and learn. So here we're taking the band out so we can put it onto the watch. And the one that I ordered is different from the normal ones because it's just one band, so either it fits you or it doesn't. So now we're gonna actually open the watch and look at the charger and the watch itself and all that. So yeah. Also, do you like my epic Michael Jackson gloves? I think they look cool. Because one of my friends said, they're like, oh my gosh, you have Michael Jackson gloves. We were actually watching a video, one of his music videos a while ago, because, I don't know. So yeah, we opened the box. So we got the papers and all that. That tells you how to use it, but it's not really a hard topic. Like, you just use it. So this charger actually gave me a lot of problems. And I'm gonna just cut to the part where I get it out. Cause no joke, it took me like 5 minutes to get it out of the freaking little paper because it's like placed weird. Okay, so I finally took it out after like years. But anyways, here it is. It's not that long. So let's also just cut to the part where I get the watch out. Because these gloves make it extremely slippery. And I don't know why I have them, but I guess I do. I don't know why it took me so long to take that out. But here it is. It's like this small square costs like $500. Like, so you're basically wearing $500 on your wrist. Think about that. So yeah, this is the new watch. I'm gonna put the specs somewhere on the screen in a little bit. And basically, like, it has a full screen. So like the edges are also screens and all that. So the watch is actually out of batteries because when I opened it, it said it was out of battery. So let me just, I don't know, I'm gonna do another cut to the part where it's charged. Look, it says low battery. Okay, let me go skedaddle. So here we got the watch charging. I'm putting my epic gloves on because, gotta be proper. So let's go ahead and connect it to the phone. And we have to scan it with the Apple frame thing. So I'm gonna just put the speed thing on so it goes by fast. So yeah, speed mode activated now. Also, I got copyrighted. Let's go. Okay, so now we are here and it's loading. So let's just go through some things that it can do. It can like I don't know. It's just the basics. Like you got the buttons, you got the screen. It's like a phone, but shrunken down to like negative 300 millimeters. So here it says it's the most durable watch ever, which could be true, I guess. So now the watch is done syncing, I think. So this is the watch I have right now, and it's broken from the bottom because, well, from the strap thing, and I don't really even know why, how that happened. Look, it's like messed up or something. I need to go get it fixed. But here's the Apple Watch. It can measure your pulse from your blood to make sure that you're okay and not dying. But that's basically all the watch has to offer. It just measures your fitness levels and all that and makes sure that you're active. And that's basically just the Apple Watch. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it was short. I don't know about you. Hopefully you've watched until the end, until right now. So please subscribe if you haven't to stay tuned to more epic unboxing videos. And now I have figured out how to do voiceovers, which is good because then I won't have to use Mr. AI. So yeah, with that said, catch y'all in the next one. Or not, I have like a little clip right here after this. But just stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I have some proof that I own a PS5. So if you want to see me open it, then check out the video that's on the screen somewhere. And with that said, see you guys in the next one. Bye.